Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce myself. My name is Bayu Perrmana Putra from the 3 TM1A class. Here I want to explain the sitting drill machine, where I made this video to complete my assessment. The seat drilling machine is a machine used to mock hole, groove, and can be used for widening and smoothing a hole very efficiently. Where is seat drilling machine has several parts. The first, base or holder. This base is the support of all motion part from the work table. 2. Table. The part used the place the workpiece to be drilled. Work table can be adjusted height according to work and can rotate left and right with the axis of the end attached of the pool. And third, drill is an efficiently hole or groove making tool. The most frequently used drill bit is a spiral drill. 5. Spindle. The part that move the chuck or grip with hold or grip the edge of the board. And 5. Spindle hand is the name of a spindle contraction that is driven by a motor with a connection in the form of a belt and set by the drill. And 6. Spindle feed handle for lowering and emphasizing the spindle and the bore to the workpiece. And the last, electricity. The main driving force of the drilling machine is an electric motor for competence, starting from the power cable and connecting cable, push indicator, light on off switch, and regulating switch. For the price of this drilling machine, we can spend approximately 5 million rupiah. Thanks for watching.